Oh my God. Alam niyo yung Pirates of Caribbean? Yung creature doon na may parang lumalabas galing sa bunganga. Ito po siya. Baka itsura ninyo. Ay nako, Pinoy Food Challenge Eaters, you're hilarious! Oh my God!
Tubig!
Oh my God! You guys are so used to eating a lot. Sumisang gamba! Sumisang gambale! You can do it! Alright, 1 minute past. The pace is slower compared to a while ago. You can do it. Last 40 seconds. Kuya, pwede ka na mag-guesting sa Pirates of Caribbean, ha? Last 25 seconds! Gambare! Squeeze ang gambare! Last 15 seconds! Last 10 seconds! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!